Okay, hi guys. This is a video about MegaMarketingPro, which is my free marketing system that allows you to add in up to 10 businesses of your choice. And it's a free marketing system you can join, and it allows you to promote whatever businesses you are promoting. So the people that come that you share out your link to this platform will come in, and they'll be able to set up a free account under you, and they only get to see your links to your 10 businesses. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the setting up process of the funnels, because I've made it 1,000 times easier than it used to be. And within a few minutes, you can just go through and the funnels will be automatically created without all the extra editing. So I've made it literally so easy to set up the funnels. So as many of you know, this free marketing system uses LeadsLeap basically to you get the share codes. Hold on, let me just go to the step 3. This is the automation step. Now don't skip the other steps obviously, but this particular video is just to explain that previously we required you to go through and edit the funnels, and it was quite a lot of work to get set up. So a lot of people were sort of giving up or whatever. But with now, we've got a very clever replacement tool within LeadsLeap that allows you to set up these funnels at lightning speed. So it's all been set up for all these funnels that you see here. So basically, LeadsLeap has made a major update because these are all LeadsLeap funnels with a share code. You get the share code for LeadsLeap. So they're LeadsLeap funnels. You can preview them here. They look really cool. And then so now you can brand all these funnels really, really fast. So you can pick which funnel you want, or you can add in all of them. It's up to you, but you only need to grab the share code of whichever one you want. And it'll ask you a few questions just to simply fill in the blanks, click the button, and it'll rebrand. Okay, so it's a lot easier, and the same applies for the all the email follow-up series. This is what took so long, because you had to go in through and edit all individual emails, but now you don't have to do that. Okay, it's just two questions that they ask you. And the link gets added in all the emails in one fell swoop, plus other bits of information. But let me just show you what you need to do. So here I am logged into my test account within LeadsLeap. Okay, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So in your case, what you would do is you go to Page Manager. You would simply add a campaign. In this case, I'm going to put in MegaMarketingPro lead capture page 1, for example. That's just what I'm going to name it. You can name it what you like. Just name the page or campaign or whatever. It's up to you. Just name it like that. It's up to you. Okay. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the I'm going to reset everything to back to the beginning, so it'll make it easier. Let me just go through that again. So now we've got a blank slate. I'm going to just go through that again. Add a new campaign, which is in other words adding a new page. Again, I'm going to just put in MegaMarketingPro lead capture page 1. So add that in there. And then what I'm going to do is, before I add in the share code for that, I'm going to go to the list manager. I'm going to open it up into a new tab, and then I'm going to do the same. I'm going to add in MegaMarketingPro list. Okay. So we've got that in there. Now, obviously, you'd need to go through and set all this up. So, put in a MegaMarketingPro list or whatever. It's up to you. You got to brand it properly, though, when you come in and do it. Obviously, you got to do the redirect. So in this case, what you'd need to do is to go down here and get the redirect. This is the redirect to the thank you page. Okay, just use this one, for example. This is your registration thank you page. Okay, it goes to this page, so you just copy the URL, okay, and then go to the list and then put the redirect there. Follow the instructions, put your name and information there, Now obviously you need to send a code here, and then the code will go to your email. I think it's just arrived, I'm not sure, but let's have a look. There it is. Grab that and then put the code in there. Okay, that just verifies that this list was created by you. And then this is important. Select these boxes here and then add in your signature. For now, I'm just going to put my name. But you can also put in a link to your Facebook or your profile, or a link to something, or just extra information, or your link to your Telegram chat so that people can reach out to you. What happens here is that by checking these 3 boxes here, it makes sure that whatever you type in here, such as will be added automatically to the bottom of every single email that goes out. Now, if you're a free member, obviously, all your broadcasts and everything will still, have the signature added, etc. So make sure, it's a good idea to add something in there. For now, I'm just going to add in the name, and then I'm going to make sure that this is all going to be activated properly and, live. Make sure you get in all the information properly, and then click Save and Activate. Now this list is now active. Just refresh the list by clicking this list manager again. Okay, so it's now activated and it's ready to go. Next thing you need to do is go to here, and in a sec we're going to just add in the codes in a minute. So just what you do is, so we've got the 2 places where we need the codes. We need 2 codes, 2 share codes. Go back here. I'm going to go back up and I'm going to pick a page. I'm going to pick this one, for example. So here's the share code for the lead capture page, and I'm going to go and where my I've already added in my campaign, add a new page, okay, and then just stick in the share code and then import. So now what it does is it asks you 2 questions. So this is what I've added in for you guys to make it easier. So now you need to add in your list ID. Okay, so go to your list area. Okay, where it says here, it says add in a new list ID. So in this case, it's list 22. Okay, go back here and add in the list here. Now, if you didn't have that page open in the new tab already, you can just simply click here and it goes straight to the same page for your convenience. Okay, so you've added in your list ID. Next, you need to add in the full URL of the thank you page or registration page of MegaMarketingPro. So go back here, go down to the bottom. This is your branded page. It's got your user ID at the end for your MegaMarketingPro. So this is a MegaMarketingPro registration page. You can preview it if you want and have a look at it. But it's obviously, if you've already been through these steps here and you've added in your businesses and branded it with your LeadsLeap and stuff, it's all gonna populate automatically anyway. So don't skip those steps. So this is the link that you need. Go here and paste that in there, and that'll replace that page. It's done. So you don't need to edit the page. Okay, so that page is done. The next thing you need to do is to do the list. So we need to add in all our email follow-up series, but within one fell swoop, we're going to add in the email series, but we're also going to brand them with your information and the link necessary. So all your email follow-up series will be branded to you rather than me. So you don't need to edit each individual email series. So let's where are we? Okay, we're going to import. Click the import button. It's asking for a share code. Go back to MegaMarketingPro, find the share code. There it is. So for the email series, grab the share code. Okay, and then go back here. Okay, so you got the share code in there, and then it'll ask you a few questions first. It said replace all existing episodes. Now, you probably, if you're a brand new member, you probably don't already have existing emails. But if you've previously added it in here and you've got messages in here, you can choose to whether to replace everything. Now, if you've done it all wrong, or if you want the new the new series, might be a good idea. then just select that, and it'll replace all your existing messages. But if you're a brand new member, you can just select that anyway. It's fine. It won't do anything because you've got nothing in there already anyway. Or if you want to add to any messages you've already got in here, it's up to you. But you probably, in most cases, I would say you'd need to just select the top one there. And then include a welcome email, also known as day 0. Yes, definitely select that. And anyway, if available, but it is. So this will just add in the initial autoresponder, the initial email that immediately goes out as soon as they opt in. So you want that. Okay, this will basically give you no work left to do. It'll just do everything for you. So you've got the entire series, plus you've got the day 0, which is going to immediately get sent out as soon as they opt in. Okay, and then import that. It'll ask you 2 more questions. Okay, and then you'll be done. Just put in the full URL of your thank you page, registration page for Mega Marketing Pro, plus you'll put in your email address there. So go back here, get your thank you page from Mega Marketing Pro. This is the registration page for Mega Marketing Pro, but it's got your user ID at the end there. So put the full URL in there, making sure you do that. And then you put your email address in there. Okay, and then just replace and import. So all the emails have now been added in here. You don't need to edit any of them. You can go, obviously you can have a look at them. You can edit them if you want to, but they've already got your link throughout the messages. So if you open it up, it's got your link in there. And obviously there's no name at the bottom, obviously, because you're going to be, it's automatically going to be adding your signature on at the bottom of every single email. So you don't need to add your name at the bottom. So I've taken my name out of completely. So by simply going through this process, it basically sets everything as it should be, so that you don't need to do anything more. So now the entire funnel is completely set up and you're ready to go, and it takes literally 5 minutes. Now, since in my case, I'm explaining everything as I record this video, but in your case it's going to be a lot faster because you don't have to be talking at the same time as like I'm doing here. But again, make sure that you go back to the settings, make sure that you have in fact put in a signature, and make sure that you select these 3 boxes so that the signature automatically goes out on every single email. That way that you've got everything branded, and it works the way you want. So you're done. That makes it 1,000 times easier to get completely set up with Mega Marketing Pro. But obviously, don't forget to go through step 1, step 2, and then just and then you'll be done after step 3. But making sure that on step 1 that you go through the first steps. Okay, make sure that you update your profile settings. Go to profile here and edit profile. Make sure that you add in all the information there, because obviously your downline need a way to contact you, like chat with me on Telegram, chat on Facebook, upload your photo here. So this is your sponsor. This is not you. This is not your information. This is your sponsor information. So that's, and then the other important thing is obviously you need to add in your businesses of choice, making sure that you put the full URL of your businesses of choice and information about the business. Okay, you can add in up to 10 businesses of your choice, and also make sure that you add in your LeadsLeap username in there and click save. That way everything gets branded to you. Also, make sure that you go into step 2 and look at the traffic sources right here. So join whatever traffic sources you want. There's nothing mandatory. You don't have to join them all. Just bear in mind that the only downside is if you don't brand them all, is that when you share out your links, your downline member, your direct referrals, if they decide to join any of these programs under whoever, they're going to be joining under your upline. Okay, not you. So if you brand all these businesses here, I mean they're not businesses so much. They're lead generation platforms. Every business needs to generate leads, so they're recommended traffic platforms. They generate traffic for you, but they have an affiliate program. So by joining all these programs and branding them and clicking save, when your team come through this and then they get started in this, they're going to simply join through your link, not somebody else's link. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so it won't take you too long. And then once you've done step 2, look at training and look at other things. But then you can go on to step 3. And then that was the purpose of this video, is to share with you guys how so much easier now this entire system is to get fully set up with. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you like it, and get on the links below so that you can get fully set up. All right, chat soon. Bye for now.